This in-demand remote job pays up to $250 per hour and doesn't require a degree. If you want to earn six figures while working from home, you can consider a job in marketing. The COVID-19 pandemic spurred new demand for digital marketing as the public health crisis deprived businesses of traditional marketing tactics and more consumers shopped online. Even several years later, that demand shows no signs of abating. Marketing managers are among the fastest growing careers globally. Job boards like FlexJobs and Freelancer.com are also seeing a boom in remote, hybrid, and freelance marketing roles. The number of jobs for marketing managers is expected to grow by 6.6% over the next decade, according to the Bureau of Statistics reports, faster than average for occupations overall. Now, let's look at the skills worth six-figure salaries. While some marketing jobs require candidates to have a bachelor's degree, it's not a requirement to build a successful career as a remote marketing manager. What's far more important are the technical skills you bring to the table. Most marketing gigs require a strong understanding of SEO, search engine optimization, data analysis, and social media management, among other skills. For example, a recent job posting for a product manager at Atlassian, which includes a minimum annual salary of $107,000, requires 5 to 7 years of marketing experience as well as strong writing capabilities, but does not include a degree requirement. You can watch tutorials on YouTube or take online courses to earn certification in specific skills. Google, for example, offers a popular certificate in digital marketing and e-commerce. My other recommendation is to create an online portfolio that showcases any relevant marketing project or work you've done, including client testimonials. Finally, I want to talk about turning marketing side hustle into a full-time business. According to Fiverr, a freelancing marketing place, most freelance marketing jobs are remote too. So marketing managers can work from anywhere and set their own hours as long as they meet their project deadlines. Fiverr has seen steady demand for marketing talent over the past 6 months. Searches for digital marketing manager rose by 640% on its platform. The more experienced you are, the higher you can set your rates. Marketing managers on Freelancer.com charge as much as $250 per hour. Otherwise, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that you do not miss out on the next video I'll be uploading on this topic.